So next one, bit number 24. The magnetic momentum of Cr3 plus is similar to that of. So now magnetic momentum, that is mu s. Magnetic momentum of Cr3 plus chromium plus 3. Magnetic momentum of chromium 3 plus is similar to that of. What is similar? It is similar to that of. So when the magnetic momentum of Cr3 plus is similar, if the ion with same number of unpaired electrons with Cr plus 3, then magnetic momentum also same. So now actually according to magnetic momentum, so now first one is B. Option 1 is Fe plus 2, that is Fe plus 2. Second option is Fe plus 3, Fe plus 3. Third option is CO plus 3, cobalt plus 3, and also cobalt plus 2. What cobalt plus 2. So then in these four ions, magnetic momentum is similar to that of what is Cr plus 3. First of all, find out the magnetic momentum of Cr plus 3. So now Cr, what is Cr? Chromium is 24. So then its electronic configuration argon 18. It is 4s1. It is 3d5. Cr3 plus means it loses 3 electrons. So now 1 electron from 4s and 2 electrons from 3d. So now 4s0, 3d3. So now it contains how many unpaired of electrons? So 3 unpaired of electrons. What is 3 unpaired of electrons? Now magnetic momentum us equal to 3 into 3 plus 2. So then equal to root 15. What is root 15? So mu s equal to root 15. So it is similar to 3.9 bm. What is 3.8 or 3.9 bm? It is a magnetic momentum of Cr3 plus. So this magnetic momentum is present when n equal to 3. So now Fe plus 2. So it's Fe plus 2 means argon 18, 4s0, it is 3d6. So 4s0, it is 3d5. Cobalt, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt 27. So 27 means argon 18, 4s0, 3d6. What is it? Is also 3d6. Scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt 27. Okay. So then 4s0, 3d6. So then cobalt plus 2 means it is the 3d7. Now 3d6 with number of unpaired electrons is 4. So 3d5 means number of unpaired electrons is 5. 3d6 means number of unpaired electrons 4. 3d7 number of unpaired electrons is 3. What is 3? So cobalt plus 2 magnetic momentum is similar to Cr plus 3. So the answer is what is Co plus 2. The answer is Co plus 2. So it is bit number 24. So next one is bit number 25. So now bit number 25. So now it is bit number 25. So it is 25. The pair of ions which do not have diamagnetic nature. Pair of ions. Okay. So it is the pair of ions which do not, what are pair of ions which do not diamagnetic. What is diamagnetic? So which do not diamagnetic means the ions with paramagnetic. What is paramagnetic? So the ions with paramagnetic is possible n. It contains unpaired of electrons. At least one unpaired of electrons. What is at least one unpaired of electrons? Okay. So now the pairs. So now first one is what is Cu plus Zn plus 2. Cu plus comma Zn plus 2. So now second option is scandium plus 3, titanium plus 4. Scandium 3 plus titanium plus 4. So third option is Ca plus 2, Zn plus 2. Ca plus 2, Zn, what is plus 2. So fourth option is vanadium plus 2, iron plus 2. V2 plus and vanadium 2 plus. Vanadium 2 plus. So now wherein Cu plus configuration is it is a 3d10. That is a 3d10. Zn plus 2 configuration also what is a 3d10. So then wherein number of unpaired electrons n equal to what is 0. N equal to 0. If n equal to 0, its magnetic nature is diamagnetic. So next one is scandium 3 plus. Scandium plus 3 means 3d0. Titanium plus 4 means it is also 3d0. Its number of unpaired electrons 0. It is also diamagnetic substance. Diamagnetic pairs. So Ca plus 2 has no d electrons. So now it is a d electrons equal to 0. It is the 3d10 configuration. So then it is also n equal to 0. Its magnetic nature also what is diamagnetic. So next one, a vanadium plus 2. Scandium, titanium, vanadium 23. So its configuration is what is 4s0. Argon 4s0. It is 3d3. 3d3. So 3d3 means it contains how many unpaired of electrons? Number of unpaired electrons 3. Same as vanadium plus 2 and also what is Fe plus 2. What is Fe plus 2? So Fe plus 2 means it is the 3d6. So 3d6 n equal to 4. So the number of unpaired electrons 4, number of unpaired electrons 3. So due to unpaired of electron, its magnetic nature is paramagnetic. So the correct answer is fourth one. Remaining 3 pairs with 0 unpaired of electron, so its magnetic nature is diamagnetic. Okay, diamagnetic. So the pair which do not diamagnetic means that is paramagnetic. So vanadium 2 plus and iron 2 plus are the paramagnetic substances. That is paramagnetic substances. Now next one is bit number 26. What is bit number 26? So now what is bit number 26? Now the atomic number of element is 26. The magnetic momentum exhibited by its ion in its plus 2 oxidation state. What is a plus 2 oxidation state? So now bit number 26. So atomic number of the element is 26. So what is the element atomic number with 26? So the element with iron. What is iron 26? Its electronic configuration based on nearest noble gas, that is argon 18. Argon 18, it is 4s2, it is 3d6. What is 4s2? 3d6. So now it loses 2 electrons. If its oxidation number is plus 2. So now Fe plus 2, electronic configuration argon 18, it is 4s0 and it is 3d6. 4s0, 3d6. So now 4s with no electrons. Now 3d with how many electrons? 6 electrons. How many electrons? 6 electrons. So now it is 1, it is 2, and it is 3, and it is 4, it is 5, and it is 6. So now first orbital with pair of electron. So remaining are unpaired of electron. Number of unpaired electrons is 4. So now magnetic momentum mu s equal to under root of n into n plus 2 bm Bohr magneton units. So then mu s equal to n value is 4. So then 4 into 4 plus 2 Bohr magneton units. So then mu s equal to 4 plus 2 6, 6 into 4 it is root 24. So root 24 Bohr magneton units. So mu s equal to 4.9 Bohr magneton units. So iron with +2 oxidation number, its magnetic momentum value is how much? 4.9. So these are the objective exercise 2 bits are completed. So now exercise 2 bits completed. Then next one we are going to discuss some practice exercise, practice bits. Okay. So that is the practice exercise. Practice exercise. That is a practice exercise bit. Now bit number 1. What is bit number 1? Practice exercise. Which of the following element has highest density? Actually, the density across the period, what happens? Increases. So 3D elements are given. What is scandium, zinc, copper and cobalt is given. So highest density increases from left to right. So now density. What is density? What is density order? What is density order? For example, let us consider third. What is a 3D series? Simply, what is a 3D series elements? 3D series elements. So now scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, ferrous, cobalt, nickel, copper, and what is a zinc? Copper and zinc. So from left to right increases. So highest density element is copper.